Hello, my dear students, grade 11B. Today we have new section 3 is related with operations with functions. We will study how you can add, subtract, multiplication, and division to functions. This one in page 293. Let me start with first one, addition and multiplication. Now, if you have f of x, addition this one, number 1, 5, 3, 5, 3, page 293, grade 11. In addition, you have f of x, addition, number 1, addition, sorry, f of x, f plus g of x equal to f of x plus g of x. It's addition. Number 2, subtraction equal to f of x minus g of x. Number 3, multiplication f g of x. Not, we don't have any sign between f and g, means multiplication is equal to f of x times g of x for division f of g of x equal to f of x over g of x. We will study this for operations. Okay. Example. Example. F of x equal to 2x squared plus 4x minus 6 given, and g of x equal to 2x minus 2. We have two functions f of x and g of x. A, find f plus g of x. Okay. B, find subtraction. Let me start with addition. This one is f, and this one is g. Equal to f of x plus g of x equal to, this one is f, you write it down, 2x squared plus 4x minus 6 plus g of x, 2x minus 2 equal to, simplify now after we replace f of x with the equation and g of x with 2x minus 2. No. Look for like terms. Do you have like terms? X, x. What means like terms? To remember, like terms, same variable, same power. Same variable, same power should be. Then we can add x squared. Do you have another x squared? No, write it down. 2x squared. 4x plus 2x plus 6x. 4x plus 2x, 4x. 6x, sorry. Like terms. You have another terms. This one and this one is like terms. Constant term. Minus 6 minus 2 minus 6 minus 2. If we have same sign, we will add, will be minus 8. Answer A is this one, 2x squared plus 6x minus 8. B. B. Find f minus g. Now we need subtraction. This one equal to f of x minus g of x equal to f of x 2x squared plus 4x minus 6 minus, not. We have negative minus, then to write g of x, don't forget please, we write bracket. Since we have negative, write the bracket 2x minus 2. Okay, bracket, then the g of x equal to. Now try to remove the bracket, as you know, minus by this one and by second one will be negative 2x plus 2 equal to, by the same A, look for like terms. Do you have 2x squared? No, write it down. 4x minus 2x plus 2x. 4 minus 2, 2, 2x. Minus 6 plus 2, negative 4. This is the answer for subtraction. By the same way, we can solve this check out. Okay, I will solve it now. Check it out. Given f of x is equal to 5x minus 6, 5x minus 6, and g of x equal to x squared minus 5x plus 6. Okay, find this one equal to what? You have plus, then f of x plus g of x equal to, what's f of x? f of x, 5x minus 6 plus, this is a plus, g of x, this is g of x. For plus, we don't need the bracket. Don't write the bracket for addition. For minus, write bracket equal to. Look for like terms. The highest power is 2, this one. Do you have another x squared? No, write it down. X, do you have x? Yes, this is terms of x, and this is terms of x. 5x minus 5x, 0. Minus 6, plus 6, this is the answer. Now try subtraction. This one is A and this is B now. This one equal to f of x minus g of x. F of x is 5x minus 6 minus negative, please, bracket. Don't forget this, bracket. G of x squared minus 5x plus 6. Remove the bracket, 5x minus 6, negative x squared negative x squared, negative times negative positive, 5x, negative times positive, negative 6, equal to, like terms. X squared, yes, this is x squared, we don't have more, we write it down. 5x plus 5x, like terms, same variable, same power. 5x, 10x, negative 6, negative 12. This is the answer. Okay, now this is addition and subtraction. Now, third one, multiplication. Example multiplication of f of x of g of x multiplication. This one equal to f of x times g of x. Yes, example. Let we have f of x example. If f of x equal to 2x squared plus 4x minus 6 and g of x 2x minus 2. Find multiplication. By multiply equal to multiply 2x squared plus 4x minus 6 all bracket between bracket times g of x, which is this one, 2x minus 2. Now multiplication, simplify now. How you can simplify? By multiply this one by this one, by this one, this one by this one by this one, and third one also. 2x squared times 2x, 4x to power 3. 2x squared minus 2x minus 2 times 2, 4. 4x squared. This is done. Now 4 times 2, 8. X times x, x squared. 4 times 2 minus 8x. This one times this one times this one. 4 times 2, 8. X times x, x squared. 4 times minus 2 minus 8x. Now last step, this one. Minus 6 times 2 minus 12x. Negative times negative positive. 6 times 2, 12. Equal to. Look for like terms. The highest power is 3, and this polynomial degree is 3. We don't have another x power 3 like this terms. We write it down. 4x to power 3 minus 4x squared, 8x squared plus 4x squared. Simplify. Do you have an x? Yes, this is like terms. This one with this one is like terms. My negative 8, negative 12, negative 16x. And just we have 12 plus 12. This one is or you have one mistake, 1 minute. If you have multiply by minus 2, it will be 4x cubed, 4x squared. Where is the x? This is terms of x. 8x and minus 6. This is the final answer. Do you have like terms? No, this is multiplication. Last one is division. If we divide, now find f over g of x. This one equal to what? F of x over g of x equal to what? And you have f is equal to what? 2x squared plus 4x minus 6. And g of x is equal to 2x minus 2. Now equal to. This is division. Factorize this one and factorize this one. By factorize this one, you have common factor, which is 2. Take out 2 as common factor. What you have remainder? X squared plus 2x minus 3. And what we have common factor in denominator, we have 2 as common factor. Take out 2 as common factor. What you have remainder? X minus 1. You can cancel 2 bye-bye with 2. This is final answer. Maybe not. Why? Because we can factorize this one by testing x positive times positive, positive, positive times negative, negative. Think about 3. Give me 2 number. Multiply there is equal to 3 and the subtraction is 2. And we have 3 and 1. And in denominator we have x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1, simplify, reduce, then the final answer is x plus 3. Okay. This was for today, for addition, multiplication, or subtraction, or division. Tomorrow, next lesson, we will study composition function. Composition function is very important, please. Okay, this one for next lesson. Wish you a nice day. Your math teacher, Mr.Dlear. Okay, bye.